What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tycho Kills, and welcome back to another video. Now, before we begin, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing the GLF 2.0 by Golf FLEUR x Converse, designed by Tyler the Creator himself. Now, these dropped yesterday. I got my hands on the green and brown colorway. Here's the box so you guys can get a good look at that. Now, I love the sides of the boxes too. They got this little wavy, kind of like layered cake pattern. Got the Golf FLEUR boot on the front. And without further ado, man, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. I was excited about these. Now, I did only grab one colorway because I didn't too much care for the peach or whatever colorway you want to call it. So I did grab the brown and greens, but according to this box, give me a second here. The official colorway, here we go. Boom, boom. It's oil green, bison, and winter white. Now, we've seen that bison before on those Golf FLEUR skylights, so that's not a new colorway at all. I think winter white may be new. Now, here we are. Let's get these bad boys out. Lovely, lovely. Amazing. So you guys know how we do it. I'm gonna get some close-ups on these from a different angle so you guys can really see the shoe, and so I can shut up and you can stop seeing my face. All right, let's get it. All right, so starting things off, we're going to look at the bottom of the shoe, aka the outsole. Now, the outsole features a hot pink colorway, and it's got that all-star Converse logo on the bottom. Now, we can see it's got some traction. I don't think it'll be better than the Giano traction, but keep in mind the Gianos were designed for hiking, and I don't think that these were designed with hiking in mind. So still somewhat good traction, but probably not as good as Giano's. So coming up here next, we've got the midsole. The midsole features a high traction rubber, high texturized rubber is what I wanted to say. You can see it's kind of got the Converse all-star like toe guard texture going on, and just to kind of give you guys a full view circle around the shoe, you can actually see the lights auto adjusting. That's why it's going from bright to darker, but just to swing it around, you'll actually see it's got that Converse logo on the back as well with that Converse star. Now, an interesting thing to note on the other shoe is they have the Golf FLEUR pedal with the Converse logo, but that's something he pretty much always does on each shoe. One Converse, one Golf FLEUR, you know, good synchronicity. So for the upper is going to be made from canvas material. You can see these two holes, aka eyelets. They are intentionally put there, so don't freak out when you see them. So again, the green area is canvas, the brown area is suede. Now, if you guys are new time suede owners, just make sure you're careful, make sure you get that specific cleaner, because suede does take some specific type of cleaner in order to, you know, keep it in shape, and you need to make sure you get some waterproof and stuff, so when you go outside, the suede doesn't just soak up the water and you're gonna have a bad day and it's gonna ruin your suede. Just don't do it, trust me. Coming up here on the toe guard, also we've got some of that suede as well, so it's pretty much adorned in suede. The eyelets with the shoelaces are also suede as well. So coming up a little bit further up on the shoe here, we've got the tongue area, and what I did like is, since it's suede material, in these patches here, this Golf FLEUR patch that we saw in the earlier season last year, these are hand woven. So, you know, that along with the tongue being suede, you know, I think that's why they decided to ship them wrapped up to prevent any damage, make sure you don't get anything scuffs, or, you know, the hand woven tag doesn't come off or something like that, right? So just, you know, looking again and coming up on the tongue area, you can see a better look. Here we've got the alternate shoestrings like Giano's. These do come with alternate shoestrings. If you get the brown, they're gonna come with some off-white kind of cream in those original brown shoestrings as well, or bison, excuse me. So coming up on the inside of the sole, we've got that made in Vietnam Golf FLEUR Converse logos inside. Now, it's important to note that the inside here is actually made from leather, which is actually pretty cool. If you go in here, I think it's nylon or possibly just some kind of textile material on the actual inside of the tongue area. So coming up on the next part, we got the limited edition Golf FLEUR keychain. Now, some people were wondering if you're supposed to leave this on the shoe. You can if you want, but it is itemized as a keychain on the website. So I'm thinking more so you're supposed to take this off and put it on your key. But I mean, wear it the hell you want, wear it however you want. And if you guys want to rock it out, you know, like a StockX tag, then go ahead. I remember I used to do this back in high school, my vintage snapbacks, you know, keep the tags in. Alright, so here I'm rocking the Golf Wing Summer 21 shirt with some brown express pants. If you wear this much brown, just I would contrast the shoelaces and use the cream ones. It's just I didn't have time. So I'm gonna give these shoes a 7 out of 10. They remind me a lot of the original Pharrell ice cream. So let's close out the vid. Alright y'all, that's going to do it for today's video. I appreciate you all tuning in. Now again, these were $110 retail. Since they're pretty much sold out by the time you guys are going to see this video, I definitely don't suggest you guys like pay double or triple on StockX or Gorilla unless you just really want a pair. We'll possibly see some more colorways in the future. I'm thinking like the Gianos, but who knows? So if you really want a pair, go for it, but I really don't suggest you guys do it. Something unrelated to the shoes as well. The brown, I don't know what material is going to be made from, but the brown Golf LaFleur jacket with the pedals all over has been teased at by the official LaFleur Tumbler, and they pretty much said that it may, quote unquote, be available at the Mohawk store in LA. Now I had a couple of my sources check it out and no one's seen anything yet, but that is the official word from Golf LaFleur. It may be available, which means it's most likely going to be available at some point sometime in Mohawk. So make sure you guys are constantly checking. Let me know if you guys see it. A couple of my sources didn't see it, so we'll see, man. Taikyo Kills has been real. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Don't be a scrub. I'll see you guys for that Golf Wing summer drop. All right, I'm out.